Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to reply to Indeed messages. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website if you haven't already, and after doing that, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So to be able to reply to messages, you need to go ahead and sign in to your account by clicking the sign in option that will appear right here in the upper right corner. You want to go ahead and log into your account, and after logging into your account or creating a new one if you didn't have one already, then you'll be back to this homepage right here where you can see that you can search for whatever job you want. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you reply to messages on Indeed. Maybe some recruiter messages you, or you got some feedback from a company you apply to. Doesn't matter. This is how to see those messages and reply. Basically, guys, all you need to do to be able to reply to messages is just go ahead and open up this messages option right here in the upper right corner. As you can see, here is our messages. Click on that and it will open up this new menu and page where we can see our inbox and all of the messages that we have. So as you can see, currently I have no messages, but if you have some messages, they will appear right here and you will be able to see the content and who sent them. But yeah, guys, basically just click those messages and you will be able to reply by entering your text and clicking reply. But that's how to do it, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.